Hello, it's John Burford with TramlineTraders.com, and today I'll be covering gold. It's at a very important point in the charts. But before I do that, I will show you this chart, which is a little wake-up call, I think, to gold bugs. This is the US 30-year fixed mortgage rate, and it's now at around 7% and rising. And that is the last time it saw 7% was way back here at the millennium, over 2000 over 20 years ago. 2000 is a bit strong. Yeah, it's incredibly high compared to all these giveaway rates down here when money was easy and very cheap. Not so now. So with that in mind, I will take a look at what I believe will be transpiring in gold. Okay, here's the weekly chart going back to about 2015 or so. This is the great bull market, reached an all-time high just over the 2000 mark. But if you look at the progress since then, it rallied to match that. At that time, I believe that was going to be a double top and heralding a very deep slide. Well, we got a pretty deep slide down to here, but then it rallied again, of course, and it's actually matched the same level. So it's hit that level 3 times now. And I want to point out that at the moment, hedge funds are massively long. They're 4-to-1 in their long positions compared to their short positions. That is nearly a record. So, will that triple top be maintained? That's a very rare beast, by the way. We don't see many of these in the charts. In fact, I cannot remember the last time I saw a genuine long-term, this is long-term, a triple top. So with that in mind, let's look down here at the momentum and the relative strength index. We have a nice momentum divergence going up into that top, and the relative strength hit the overbought level as it did here, did there, and that did there. So history suggests that this is going to be a major top. So that conflicts with certainly the message from hedge funds, who are normally wrong at major turns, and also the idea that a genuine triple top is in the making. Now let's look at the daily chart. That is, I believe, a wave 1 decline off of the previous central triple top, just over or just under the 2100 level. I believe this is an ABC, which is a 3-wave rally, which is corrective usually. So I've been able to draw these lovely tram lines from this prior pivot point, touching that A wave, that hit that C wave top, and it's now coming down to the lower tram line. So this is a major test area. If it can manage a rally from here, it may well exceed this triple top to deny it that labeling, or, which is more likely, I think a failure of this tram line will bring it down to test this B wave low here. We have a momentum divergence going into the top. We have relative strength hitting the overbought 70 level at the peak here. So the odds favor, if we keep in mind the rising interest rate picture, which is usually not friendly to gold, eventually I think we can see a break of this tram line here, a test of the B wave low, and ultimately a test of this wave 1 low down here. I hope you liked this video, and I invite you to sign up to receive my weekly blogs and also to check out my 3 trading services, all with free trials available. For VIP Traders Club members, I issue specific trades with price targets and coverage of stock indexes, forex, T-bonds and commodities. The new Phoenix Traders Club trades is aimed at smaller accounts. Again, I issue specific trades. And my Pro Shares service covers individual UK and US shares. Remember, I offer free trials to all 3 services. Just go to www.tramlinetraders.com.